Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in Walmart. So first of all, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser. In the top, there's a URL section right over here. Type down walmart.com and enter that. And here you can see we just landed to the official homepage of Walmart. And on the top right corner, there's a sign in account option right over here. Click on that option and click on this option that says sign in or create account. And in order to create your account, you are required with your email address. Simply type down your email address and click on the continue button. And you are required with your first name and also your last name, as well as you need to create a password in order to complete your create your Walmart account. And after you're done with it, you have to simply click on this button that says create an account, and then you'll be successfully create an account in Walmart. So that is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.